Hello, dolls and gents. Thank you so much for your support, love, and watching my channel. So a while back, I showed you guys this unit, and it was, let me turn the lighting down a little bit. It was a unit with the bang that I could use when I didn't want to go through all that filter of putting, it got to be glue, lace glue, whatever. So this is my easy throw on synthetic unit with a bang, and I think I told y'all I got it for like $10 or two for $10 or something if you watch that video. Nonetheless, as you can see, I am getting ready to go get my nails done. I've taken the stones off the ones that had the stones, so I don't have to sit there and watch the nail tech fight with that part. It just, to me, gives me anxiety. It just wastes more time. They act like they can't get them off. Now, granted, I can barely get them off. I be laying them stones, y'all. But I'm getting ready to go get my nails done to this new girl, and you guys will see a video, of course. But this unit, I want to be able to just throw on, go get my nails done. I need to go to Costco with my husband afterwards. We need to go to Walmart, just our normal running around. And I just don't feel like going through all the laying of a unit, okay? So, I'm going to turn the lighting back up just a little bit. And the name is Perla. I got it in OT 613, so there is some black at the top and then 613 at the bottom. So I guess I got this one. It is by Freetress Equal. And I didn't get this, like, it is curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. I did not get it to, like, wear every day or nothing like that. I got this, like I told you guys, as my, like, throw on. I'm just running to the Dollar Tree. Or like I told you guys, a lot of times my husband will come home and I'll just be chilling, like laying in the bed, especially on a Saturday. And he'll be like, let's go get some breakfast, you know. And he doesn't want to wait for me to lay a wig down when he's ready to go eat. You know, not like that. You know what I'm saying? So if this works, I am going to look for a couple more. I did order the headband wig that everybody's talking about. You guys are going to see a video on that as well when it comes in. And it's the one with the headband. And I think that's going to work awesomely as well because I can just throw that on. There's a headband in the front and there's nothing else to do. Back in the day, we used to have to do the half wigs and then put a headband or scarf on it. So if this doesn't do what I want it to do, once again, I have chosen one of these dumb bobs that's short and then long in the front. But let's see. Let's see. I don't want to knock it down yet. I don't knock it down yet. It does have, I like this netting because if my head itches, I can scratch. And we all know your head don't start itching until you put a unit on. Okay? There is combs. Let me find the combs for y'all. No, I thought I felt a comb, but I'm feeling all net. All right, then let me use the adjustable straps to get this where I want it. Thought I was feeling combs, which combs give me a little bit of extra security, especially when I don't want to glue a unit down. Then I know with the combs that I've kind of secured it into my hair. So, come on, strap. You don't want to cooperate either. I want to make sure this is as tight as can be because there's no combs. It does say shake and go. So there's no comb. So let me put it on and then I may have to take it off and put it on again. My other problem with bangs, and you all know what I'm going to say, is my glasses. I got to wear my glasses. I'm going to put some mousse on it so I don't have to deal with too much struggle with flyaways. So, let's see. What y'all think? I think I'll be okay. I can always pull it back a little bit, but the more back I pull it, the more I'm taking away from the hole, the security, because I don't have a comb in here. I wish they would have gave me one comb in the back because I could have just stuck it under my ponytail. You know what I'm saying? I could have just stuck it under my ponytail and got that security. I don't think it'll go anywhere, but I can't pull it back too far. And I'm going to have to pull these bangs to the side, but I can't pull it back too far. But I think it'll be okay for me to just run to get breakfast or run to get my nails done. I know what's going to happen. I'm going to end up buying me a half wig and putting like a scarf or a bandana over the front. Or if I like this bandana wig that's coming, then I'm going to end up ordering like probably 2 more. Because here's the back. Yeah. So I like it. I just don't know if the bangs are going to aggravate me. I think with my glasses on, it'll keep the bang out of my face a little bit. It's just she's going to be doing my nails. And my nails are going to, like I said, this is going to be my first time going to this girl. I don't necessarily know if she's going to use gel polish or regular polish for her designs. All nail techs are different. I don't want to be trying to move this hair out of my face and mess up my nails. So, definitely. And then, I don't want to look stupid and put like a clip here. But, I may have to. I may have to just put like a bobby pin or a clip. I have some of those clips that everybody wears, like the ones that say Boss Money or whatever, but I think it'll look really stupid right here. I'm going to have to try it and see. Other than that, the wig is not bothering me. You know, this part is not bothering me. Normally it does, but I think because this is a wig with a bang is the reason why it's not bothering me. I like the color. I don't mind the little bit of black that's in it. You guys know normally I don't really care for any black whatsoever, but I do like the color. There is Oct Copper, a 1B. So I guess these are the only 3 colors it comes in. The Oct Copper, the 1B. Let's see what I can do. I think this opens. Yeah. Yeah, so it says, before washing hair, brush out all tangles, start at the bottom. Like I told you before, you can do up to 400 degrees with it. I don't know if I trust that on synthetic, but that's what it says, up to 400 degrees. You can wash it and rewear it and place it on a headstand. If you don't know much about Equal, they do have tons and tons of units for you. So if you are going to look for this wig, it is an Equal Freetress Equal wig, the luxury integration edition. These are the colors that it comes in, only those 3. And this one is Perla. So y'all know I'm really thinking about cutting this bang, but my dumb tail will mess it up. So what I think is going to happen just for today, because I'm going to get my nails done and I don't want it to aggravate me, I am going to take like a little bobby pin and just put it there so that it's not constantly falling in my face while she's doing my nails. And I'm not constantly doing that because I don't want those type of issues. So I am going to take a bobby pin and put it there. I am going to keep the bag. I hope he don't think this was $34. In the store, but they had that on there. Now I'm going to keep the bag so I can put it back in there because I did put my wig stands, my heads up. They're up for right now, so I'm going to put it back in the bag. So I'm going to throw all this packaging away, keep the bag, and that is it. So guys, let me know what you think. I think it's okay to run out of the house. I think it's okay. I think the headband wig is going to win me over when it comes because there's not going to be anything in my face. But I think this is okay for me to run out of the house. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next video.